Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the radar and confirming firmware and battery status so you won't lose readings mid-session. Next, mount the gun on a stable tripod and level it. This reduces angle error and keeps tracking steady. Once done, choose cricket or radar pitch mode and set units to km/h or mph because consistent units prevent later confusion. Also enter the targeted bowler zone if the device asks, which narrows detection and improves accuracy. Now you focus on aiming and calibrating. Align the crosshair with the ball's path, prefer the seam or shoulder, keeping the gun within 0 to 15 degrees of the trajectory to avoid underreading. Then run the built-in calibration or use a reference throw of known speed. Perform 5 test deliveries and average results to check consistency. After that, pick continuous mode for long spells or single shot for practice, and make sure to tag each measurement with bowler name and session so data stays usable. Complete the session by capturing bursts during spells and filtering out off-target returns so your dataset reflects true delivery speeds. Once done, immediately back up files to your phone or cloud and log environmental notes, wind, humidity, pitch hardness, because they explain outliers. If readings look wrong, first recheck alignment and reduce the aiming angle, then swap batteries and confirm firmware is current. If problems persist, recalibrate and repeat the 5-test average to isolate hardware versus operator error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.